I'm from Naranpur. I'll be continuing now computer networking. Today, it's about networking devices. So, in order to connect the computers in a network, we need some devices. So, devices are nothing but they are the equipment that allow, receive, transmit the data, signal, and they are used to make a communication channel. So, there are like network interface card, which we have already seen. It's given by the manufacturer, and also MAC address will be given to us to define to determine a node on the network. And then we will see what is hub, switch, repeater, router, and gateway. Now, hub. So, in order to connect from one system, you can see the picture here. In order to connect one computer to another computer, we need to join them with the help of a wires. So, when wire connection is happening, we need to use some intermediate called hub. This hub is a connecting device which will connect the multiple computers from the ports like this. So this is a computers connecting together to form a local area network. Local area network is nothing but it's a network within a building. So hubs can make broadcast type of network. Broadcast type of network in the sense, suppose if a message is passed, if the message is for this computer 1, then it will also go to computer 2 also, and then whichever a computer is intended to have the message, that will take the packet, and the other one will have to be idle till it completes the process. So this is how it will be in the hub, and it will provide the RJ45 port. This port is called as RJ45 port, and the communication cable will be twisted pair cable, and the topology will be star topology. Star topology in the sense, so there will be a computers connected in the different way nodes in a star manner. So if there are two types of hubs available, active hub and passive hub. Active hub will be amplifies the signal when required and works as a repeater. Amplifying the signal in the sense, suppose if the data has to be traveled from one node to another, if it has a long distance, by the time it reaches to the next node, the signal may be weakened. So in that case, data cannot be reached to the particular node. So in that case, we need to regenerate the node message, and then we need to send it. So that process will be done by a repeater. So this repeater, active hub, also acts as the repeater. And there is something called passive hub, which just passes the signal without any change. Next is switch. Switch is an intelligent device which connects. This is a network switch where PC1, PC2, PC3 are connected, and then if at all I want to send any message to PC1, then there is a dedicated line only goes to this PC. So the other three will not be affected at all, not unlike the hub. So here it redirects the received signal only to the intended node. That is how it controls the network traffic also. So here it also you be used segment a big network into smaller subnetwork, that is subnet. So various small network segments to form a big network as a tree topology. Okay, tree topology in the sense there will be a connection between, like connection happens like a tree where main node will be there and the sub nodes will be added. So what is the difference between hub and switch? The hub will send like a broadcasting signal. It will send to all the system, but switch only sends to the intended node. Switch is faster and efficient over hub due to good traffic management capability. Next is router. So router is an interconnected device that connects the multiple independent networks. So this is a LAN here connected over the switch, and this is another LAN which is connected over switch. Now these both wants to have the connection communication, then we need to have a router which will find the another network through the IP address, that is to form a wide area network. So basic role of routers will be determine a possible route, that is shortest path. Routers maintains the table of address called routing table and keeps the track of it. So it will find for the particular routing network, and then it will pass the data. Next is repeater. As a repeater, we require to regenerate the signal. So since the signal becomes weak after a certain distance, it cannot reach to the destination. So we need to regenerate or amplify the signal. Like example, in twisted pair cable, the signal becomes weak after 100 meters. That because that limit is 100 meters. So after each 90 to 100 meters, we have to have the repeaters in order to maintain the signal strength. Then we have modem. Modem is a full form is modulator and demodulator. So modulator is nothing but digital signal to analog, and demodulation is analog to digital. So through telephone lines, this internet line, telephone line, the modem will be connected. Digital line, digital data will be converted to analog, and from analog to digital. So this is how the modem will be doing modulator and demodulation. So it will connect the PC with the telephone lines. So basically, to access the internet, to make voice call, fax, or PC. Then we have something called gateway. It's a device that connects a dissimilar networks. There are variety of networks available which will follow different protocols. So each network will be having certain protocols. So this will follow some certain one. So in order to match those things, so gateway will be established here. Gateway is not protocol converter. So if at all it is following one kind of protocol, other one will be, they both will be converted to match to send the data packets. So a LAN gets connected to the internet to WAN using a gateway. So these are the different devices available on the network. Thank you.